Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. So this is our ninth video for Django tutorial series, and in this series, we are creating a question answer website. So in this video, I will do some modifications in our detail page. So if I talk about detail page, then you can see we have added comment, we have submitted answer, we have submitted answer in our previous video, and before the previous video, we have submitted the comment with the help of jQuery and Ajax. So now I'm going to do some necessary modification in your detail page. So this modification will be exactly for the comment section. So if you remember, then we are submitting comment with the help of jQuery Ajax, and we are added the instantly showing the comment in the comment wrapper. Now if you some more focus, then you can see that we have a comment wrapper in loop. So we have multiple comment wrapper, and now if someone submit the comment, then this will be add all in the answers. So what I need to do, we need to define some unique id for every answer. So what will I do, I will add the I will add in the class of comment wrapper, I will attach the answer id. So here I will attach the answer id. So what I will do, here I will do the answer id. So here I will attach the answer id. Now we will do one more thing, and we have attached the answer id. And in the counting I want to show the instant counting. When user submit the comment, then I want to show the instant counting. So what I will do, here I will add the span. And so I'm doing some modification, and I'm doing some improvements. Not some, but I'm actually doing one improvement. So here I will add the class comment count, and here I will add the answer id. So this will be unique for every answer. So now when we add the comment, then this will be add in that particular answer only. But now we if you add the comment, then this will be add all in the answers. So that I'm adding the answer id here. So now we need to do some modification in our jQuery code. So we will do this, and we will go to the comment wrapper, and add the here I will add the this answer id, because we are getting the answer id. Now here I will add this. Okay, so this will be for appending. Now we will do for counting. So what I will do, first I will get the previous count. So previous count equal to comment count. So comment count plus, I want to show which comment count for which answer, this answer. So this will be a text because it is in the span. And now we will do this for, and here previous count, because we are getting text, so that we need to parse in int plus 1. So every time we submit the comment, it will be plus 1. Okay, and now we need one more modification, one last more modification. Comment text, we are getting the comment text. So the comment text is common for all the answer. Now we need to we need to define the answer id with this. So what will we do, here we will add the answer id. So our variable will be bottom of the answer id, and here I will plus the answer id. And now we are able to get the comment of that particular answer. And we'll also, in the text from comment text, we will add the answer dot id. So yeah, so now this is okay. Okay, now we are getting the comment from the answer id, and we will do this for we will do this for when the comment has been submitted, then we will make this value empty, make the text area empty. So let's check this. So I have done this small modification for our perfect detail page, and now I will go to here in the second question. So this is my first comment. So submit this. So here I have added the comment, and now we are able to show the, but it is not showing the counting. It is not showing the counting. I have refreshed the page, but it is not showing the counting. So we have a comment count class, so it is perfect. So we will track the why it is not increase the counting. So let's see this. So parse int, previous parse, or spelling of parse int is wrong, so that it is not counting. So this will be a parse int. So let's check this again. So this is second comment. So here, and here it is not showing. So let's see in the browser, fail to respond with us, is not showing the comment because we have defined the wrong comment. And here we'll also uh, let's check this. Okay, that's fine. Let's see this again. This is third comment. Okay, the comment has been submitted and the counting has been updated. So finally we have updated the counting in real time and updated the comment in real time. So let's add the comment in the fourth answer. So let's add it. This is first comment for fourth answer. Okay, so submit this, and we have a one comment. Okay, so now this is working very fine, and I hope you are learning very well. And if you have any question, any doubt, or anything else that if you can improve me, then I will appreciate your whatever you want to say me. I will appreciate this. And please subscribe and like this video, and I hope you are enjoying this series. So thank you very much. In the next video I will do this uh, I will work on the upvote and downvote, and then we will work on the user authentication, and then we have a ask question page and tag page. So we will work on that. So I hope you are enjoying. Thank you so much.